Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I don't really have anything specifically planned, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of a day in the life and just hang out with you guys. I did pick up my camera to do a little filming of me cleaning my kitchen, but my camera was dead and my mic was dead. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna be able to share that because I have to get my kitchen cleaned ASAP. And the reason being is because our fridge unfortunately is going out, and so we went to go look for one yesterday. Luckily we found one that they delivered today, so I needed to get the kitchen clean, so I needed to clear a pathway so the delivery guys can come into the house and deliver the fridge. That's what I'm doing this morning, trying to get everything done. So here on the side is where our fridge is going to go, and so since I have this space here, I am going to get that microwave out the way and do a little cleaning under there. I know it got really dirty. I think my son ended up dropping some goldfish or something, so some of them flew under there, and yeah, I definitely need to clean. So I found this a little like mug holder. I think they're called like tree mug holders. I found it off of Temu and I really liked it. The only thing I did notice is I love these cups from Walmart. They're by the Pioneer Woman, and they're just so beautiful. I think they go perfectly with like the cottage core. Whenever I add them here at the bottom, they hit the bottom. So I did have to just add one here and then add one here to the top. And yeah, so I want to buy two more and add one here at the top and then here in the back. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. This is one of the new little items that I added here on my kitchen counter. Now I just want to get this living room a little bit picked up. It's clean. It just needs to be picked up. And then I want to move our chest here to the wall here towards the back, just so that it's not in the way with the delivery guys coming in. And I might need to vacuum under here. I'm not too sure if it's dirty under here, but if we need to do that, we'll do that. And yeah, I think that's all I would need to do here in the living room. showing you guys a little mini tour of our fridge, and I did have to put our groceries in already just because we had to get the other one out and removed. But this is just the inside of the freezer, and we don't need anything big because we are just a family of three. And it did come with a little ice tray. I'm also showing the hookups where you can hook up the ice machine, and that you have to buy separately. So I am thinking about getting that, but it is just a very roomy for us and it can hold a lot. It has two little shelves on the side. And then here at the bottom, it also comes with all the little shelves here on the door. I really love the look of the see-through like drawers. And then also has the glass shelves here, and it does hold quite a bit for us. It does come with LED lighting, and then it does have the crisper drawers. I think that's what they're called. And I'm so excited to get my groceries and add my groceries here. These are just the things that we had left over in our old fridge, and I kind of just moved them over, but I waited to buy the groceries just so that way I wasn't having to transfer a bunch from the old one to the new one. Yeah, you guys, this is our new fridge, and I really, really like it. It's such a good size and very perfect for a family of three. And yeah, I just thought that I would share this mini little fridge tour with you guys.